adventure today where we are going up and picking up a customer's car, and it's, I don't know, it's like -34 out, and we got to do it on an open trailer, and it's a very expensive new car, and we got to deliver it for, I guess, for Christmas here, which is only a few days. So we'll show you guys that. We got to put down an open trailer, and it's a really low car, so that might be a challenge. And transporting it in the winter is always a little scary, especially in an open trailer, but that's all we're going to have today, so we'll show you guys that here as we go. Okay, we're just getting ready to go pick up this car. Got to do it on an open trailer because all the other trailers are full, and it's really chilly out. But I thought I'd show you, I should have showed you yesterday, all the snow drifts around here, and we had a mountain of snow just totally covered that trailer. And yeah, so I should show you the huge pile of snow that we had to move. A big pile over there doesn't do it justice in the pictures, and this huge pile here, we had to move all that to get, you can see the tracks where the trailer was, to get the trailer out. It was just totally drifted right over it. So we had to use a snow blower and blade on the truck and shovel and get it all out. Okay, I'll be back. Huh? Tight on this side? They can come this way. Yeah, you can come this way like an inch or something. Yeah. Yeah, you're doing good. Yeah, keep her coming. You can just go to the right, just, yeah, right there. That's good. Straighten it out a little, yeah. That's good. Yep. Okay. All we gotta do is try and get home safely now. It's on the trailer, not much clearance. It's a little tight there, right up to the hitch, to the winch. Looks good.
It looks like a freaking Ferrari engine.
Yeah.
Even got a tag on it with a signature.
Oh, we didn't have, oh yeah, I guess you gotta take the fender off. It does hit. Put the first mark in it. Air, yeah. Now let's see if we can make it another 3.5, 4 hours to get that thing home. Ah, looks good. Oh, it's nice looking. I don't think